Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this Wi-Fi Smart Switch which I have bought from AliExpress, and the reason behind is to do this video is in the review section most of the buyers has mentioned that this device is not supported for Apple HomeKit. So I have decided to create a video to check whether this device is supported with Apple HomeKit or not. Let's start. This package comes with all required configuration guides with their Duo Home app as well as Apple HomeKit. All you have to do is simply connect this device into power outlet which is support from 90 volts to 250 volts and 50 to 60 Hz range. While connecting to this device with Apple HomeKit, I have decided to tear down this device and see what's inside. In order to do that, you require the plastic stripping tool and screwdriver. Mainboard consisting with three different modules: power supply module, Wi-Fi and relay module. Power supply module supplying the required voltage into Wi-Fi and relay. Wi-Fi module is connecting with the Duo Home Cloud over your Wi-Fi network and control the relay module based on the commands coming from the Duo Home app. After a couple of attempts, I have identified this device is not supported with Apple HomeKit. The setup code that has been provided with the user manual is not working with Apple HomeKit. So I am not recommend to use this device with Apple Home. But you can use this device with Duo Home app, and it's working perfectly with all the functionality within the application. I have done some research on these Wi-Fi smart switches and its technologies. Seems to be we can build this kind of switches by our own. If you have knowledge in electronics, software programming, hardware technologies, it's not a big thing. So I'm planning to build Wi-Fi smart switch, something similar to this, and which is gonna fully compatible with Apple HomeKit. Stay tuned with my channel and don't forget to give big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you soon with my next video.